Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a cinematic depth blur effect in Photoshop. Now I open Photoshop and bring my image onto a clean canvas, taking a second to really look at where the story of this image lives. I duplicate the background layer immediately because control matters. Then I select the top layer and apply Gaussian blur, but very gently. I slow down here because blur should never feel rushed. I add a layer mask and fill it with black, creating a moment of quiet where everything disappears. Using a soft white brush at low opacity, I slowly paint over the main subject, revealing sharpness exactly where I want the viewer to look. I stretch the word focus in my